Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to enable clan invites in Golf Clash. To enable clan invites in Golf Clash, first of all open up the Golf Clash app on your mobile device, and once you are in the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will bring you open the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on Game at the top. Inside the Game tab, look for Receive Clan Invites option. Toggle on the button right next to Receive Clan Invite and make sure that it turns green. Once enabled, you will then be able to receive clan invites that you can join into. That's how you successfully enabled clan invites in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Golf Clash tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.